Okay, we have a Hwacheon Gap Bed Engine Lathe, 18-inch swing, 27 in the gap, 60 in centers, model HL460. It's new in 2003. Okay, we're going to run it for you right now. It has from 32 to 1800 RPM. That's a lower speed. What are we at? Foot brake. Machine also has taper attachment, the quick change tool post, a Newall 2-axis DRO. That was forward and reverse. Micrometer carriage stop. What speed was that, Angel?
Being low here, low, and then we are 285.
Now we're going up to 225.
Yeah?
But that was 225.
285.
285.
We're going to the
High
high range.
range.
And then we're going to go 710.
710 it is. Okay, so you heard one of the low speeds, one of the high speeds. Cross feed, and you can see on the DRO also that you have the y-axis on the, and that's the X on the DRO. That's threading. You also have a thread dial indicator. Foot brake. Again, you have two steady rests. One is an 11-inch capacity, the other one's a 5-inch capacity. He's moving the tailstock quill. You have a drill chuck in the tailstock. Tailstock lock. Taper turning attachment. Take a good look at those waves. You can see that it's original, no scoring. You have a 4-jaw chuck and a faceplate and an assortment of holders, boring bar holders, regular tool holders. It's a D16 cam lock. Run one more speed and we'll just pick any one. Forward and reverse, again foot brake, inch metric threading, 3-jaw, 4-jaw, tool post, tool holders, 2 steady rest, taper turning attachment, digital readout. You have a nice complete package. Thank you for watching the video.